What's up, two-timers? Today we're doing a shoot, not yet. We're doing a shoot inside of, how do you pronounce this place? Playa Bowl. And yeah, here's our model here.
What's up, y'all?
And our backup over here. Let's get into it.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we go again, go again, go again, go again.
He like Patrick from SpongeBob when he had the lens on the cap. Talking about we recorded.
Wait, can I do one test run to see what my hair looks like?
We already did it. Oh no. Do I have to do something?
Try the blue light. I don't like that.
You don't like that color?
No. You like it?
The color looks good, it's just that shadow line. That's what it's doing. But
Y'all about to blind us. Like a strobe light. I thought it was gonna be a little darker.
Come closer there. Yeah, we want to get you away from the wall.
Are you just gonna take one or like?
Yeah, just gonna take one. It's a bad pose. You don't look happy.
Oh no, it's just one test run,
Man's is
right?
elite with the camera. Make sure y'all follow him on the gram. Shots by New. Bori takes pictures or photos, whatever one.
There you go. I don't know about this slide.
Yeah,
It's too
no.
cramped.
This ain't it. This ain't it.
Do it outside.
Okay.
It's not too dark out there. Might work out.
How about like through that window? You remember how it looked through the window?
We'll go to the fair.
Oh. Where's my?
We have to kill it. The fair, that's when we place it.
It's gonna be dope because of the background.
No, he's gonna shoot through the window. But this might
No, no. Let's see what we can do from out here.
What are you gonna do? Okay, but like you just came from church.
Yeah, it's a Rolls Royce SUV. I've never seen one of that.
Feel me? That's my car right there. I just bought that.
You just bought that?
It ain't even out yet.
How you get
Not
it?
even out yet.
How you get it?
I had to sign that list. You feel me?
Oh, okay.
Get that top 10%.
Top 10%?
Tier 1 credit.
Oh, okay. So what's your credit score?
We ain't even gonna talk about that.
We're not. Oh, okay.
So,
He don't want to talk about his credit score.
that's
But yeah, he got that
I
truck.
was like,
Yeah, he got a Rolls Royce truck.
who's driving that?
I don't know. I'm not about to go be nosy.
Hold it from here. With one hand. and hold the other one from here. That's so don't shake.
Oh, ain't nobody famous.
Hello. You a dickhead.
They'll really be posting too.
They gotta tag every location. She's like an oval. He said DJ India. Who's Rich?
In Jersey Mike's?
Yeah.
Probably check.
Wait, DJ Envy's in Jersey Mike's?
Apparently. You dead ass. You gotta put him on the vlogs, like, give me a shout out. You might give me a fucking paparazzi. Now I gotta move. I ain't with y'all.
He told me I ain't with y'all. Maybe real friends. How many of them?
Wait,
You see him? I told you.
You want me someone to take a picture with me?
Oh yeah, it is him. What you about to say about the car?
You see the feet, man. Alright, back to the regular program.
My fault. Okay. Yeah, your day's coming soon.
How about you get more of my dress?
Okay, you going full body? Feet too?
Nah. You gotta do my
Turn your legs this way a little bit. Yeah.
I just thought about something. He lives out here.
And he travels all the way out here to come home to go back to work? Bugging. Couldn't be me.
The lighting isn't the best it could be right now, so we might have to wait till it gets a little bit darker to get some better pictures. Or we might switch spots and go to where some neon lights are. I don't know yet. No. Hell no. We found a good spot. This neon sign is making these pictures come out a lot better. So we about to take a bunch of them and get this photo shoot over with.
Yes, sir.
What you want to do is get pictures of her and get video of her and also get video of me taking pictures.
Copy. Imagine all the nice photos.
Oh, that one's nice.
Out here, 100.
Oh, that's nice too. What did I do? I don't remember.
Now I'm gonna do a couple more closer ones. Go back a little bit more. A little bit more. Or actually stay right here. Because that damn paper's in the window. Stay right here.
No, I didn't want to. I gave it. Oh, you want me to do this hand? Well, I ain't hear
Are you getting both of us?
Me.
What he said?
He came out there, he's like, hey, no black people in that bitch. Go back and forth.
He's doing his job. I'm watching.
Nah, he just recording me.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
That's what it looked like.
I'm going back and forth.
Alright. look at me, Josh. Then back at her.
Eye of the tiger. That's on the
Can I do this again? But I'm gonna fluff up my hair a little more. See how I squeezed it?
Yeah.
This is really, really nice. That.
Yeah, I like that picture. Pictures are coming out good.
Yes, they are. Right here. This picture is fire. You see that? Y'all see how cute I am? Now this picture is tough. I don't know what I did, but I'm gonna try and redo it and like fluff up my hair.
Alright. Boy, you feel me? The umbrella is for 2 people, not one. Over here looking like Mary Poppins and shit.
Right.
Hold it up right.
Wasn't you underneath on something?
But now we gotta go back to taking photos.
That's tough. Come on, Alfred, do your job.
Hold up. You're leaning your head a little bit more.
I know, I'm getting there.
No,
Oh, I knew something was missing. It did.
It did?
Yeah, I knew something was missing. It was too dark.
My fault.
It's all his fault.
Whatever. Kiss my ass.
Definitely it. Let's
Wow. 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 That was it.
let's switch lenses real quick.
Okay.
Let's turn that off. Let's switch lenses and then just take a couple with the other lens.
Okay.
See how it
Is
turns
that the
out.
one that blurs the background completely?
No, this is the one that does that. But the other one you're gonna see a lot more of the background, but it should still come out good. Just try it.
Okay.
So we switched lenses. We're gonna use the 24 to 70. It's a 2.8. It's not that good in low light, but hopefully we'll get some good pictures out of it. Raise the light, boy.
A good angle.
End of the shoot. Shoot went good, especially at this spot. This spot was the one. So she's going through some of the pictures, seeing what she likes.
Yeah, this
And
is
then
really nice.
we will get to editing later.
Look at how pretty that picture is.
You want to shout yourself out on Instagram?
My Instagram is at Monica Janice, MONIKAJENICE.
All right. There you have it. And his is
Lori takes photos on IG. _J Lawrence, J_JLORANCE.
follow all of us, Shot by New, and we out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace.